Hey y'all, it's your girlfriend with Shaw here, and I am back with a very requested video from my Instagram page, and that is how I make my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. So first you're going to need an aloe vera leaf, a spray bottle, black castor oil, and peppermint oil. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut the very tip of the aloe vera leaf. The reason being is that top part, the gel isn't as juicy as the rest of the aloe vera. So you really want to make sure that you have a lot of juice in your aloe vera, and that's why you need the middle section. Then I am going to just cut the really pointy ends, and these spikes, please be careful because they hurt. I was carrying a whole bunch of them from the grocery store because they don't have bags anymore, and I almost cut myself. So cut those off and be very careful with the knife as well as the ends. And then I'm just going to cut the other side as well. I'm moving a little slowly because I really want to be careful and I want to be precise when it comes to making my own products. So I want to get a lot of product, and that's why I'm not going to make any mistakes with cutting too much of the gel that I need to throw away. So I want to have as much gel in my product as possible. Okay, then I'm just going to cut this in half. In later videos, I learned that you can cut it in smaller pieces and it's a little bit easier. But here I cut it in half, and I'm just going to cut the top part of the leaf off, so that green section, and you want to make sure you get as close to the leaf as possible so that you have enough gel to put in your leave-in conditioner. If you are careless with that, you're not going to have a lot of gel and it can get very messy. So this is going to be my first time using aloe vera gel consistently on my scalp and my hair, and some of the benefits that stood out to me as I was doing my research is that it calms an itchy scalp, and my scalp can get real crazy when I have protective styles in, so I'm going to be monitoring that and coming back with a review for you guys. The reason why I put in the title that you can use it as a pre-poo, I tried it as a pre-poo this time just to deep cleanse my hair because my hair was a little bit dry. There was some like old oil kind of stuck and just like sitting on top of my hair, so I wanted that deep cleanse. It strengthens and repairs hair strands. I'm on a health journey, y'all. I need this, and it promotes hair growth. I need that as well. So I'm really hoping that the reviews are accurate. And as you know, I will come to you with an honest review, but these are the top 4 benefits that stood out to me that I'm hoping to achieve by using aloe vera gel. Making sure I get as close to the back leaf as possible. Please be very careful with this. You can do it with a spoon. I find that it's less precise with a spoon though, so using a knife is more precise, but it can also be dangerous. So I'm trying to get as much gel as possible. I even try to get the little remnants against the skin. This part is unnecessary. I was honestly being a little greedy. Then just gonna do it again with the other piece. And I'm moving slowly because it is slippery and I didn't want to get cut. Whoops. That's okay. Just scoop it on out. Okay, so now you're just gonna blend it. I blended it in my Nutribullet, and I'm really sorry about the angle of this. The cord just wasn't long enough and my camera couldn't reach it, so I didn't think there was anything spectacular to show. So you're going to take it out of your blender and you're going to need to put it through a strainer. Please do not pour it directly into your spray bottle because you will have little white remnants and residue in your hair, and that is not fun. So I got this extra fine strainer from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below, and it also comes with this cool little gadget. Don't know what it's called, but I was able to just like push the product through the strainer a little bit faster. And you really want to take your time and do that to make sure that all of the little particles don't get into your actual product. So here I am just taking my time going through. So you want to keep doing that until you get to the very end. Yes, it takes some time, but it is worth it. Some people use a stocking cap or a stocking and like kind of squeeze it through. I personally think this way is a lot cleaner, and all of those, the little white stuff, that is what would have been in your hair. You do not need that in your hair. Okay, so this next part, I know you see me measuring and weighing some things. That's because I'm going to be adding a preservative. For DIY products, it's really important to have a preservative because you don't want your product to go bad. So I add my castor oil and this preservative, I don't know how to say it, Optifin, not sure. There is a specific amount that you are supposed to put in it based on the weight of your product. I will add the link that calculated that for me because I suck at math and I can't explain that to you guys. So I don't want anyone to get confused. So I will put the link. You just calculate in that link and they will tell you how much preservative you need to put in your product. Okay, so there is my final product. I just mixed the oils in and I brought these spray bottles from Amazon as well. I will put the link down in the description box below. So just be gentle when you are pouring it because you don't want to waste your product, girl. You just took the time to make it. And there you go. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner or you could even use it as a pre-poo. You can see I am on the struggle bus. Yeah, my hair was dry, okay? So dry. So this pre-poo brings all of the moisture back into your hair, and I love doing it on my full wash days. And you just spritz it through. I don't like using a comb during my pre-poo because my hair just came out of a protective style. So I finger detangle and I just rake the pre-poo through. It feels so good on your scalp too, y'all. That peppermint be hitting. If you're allergic to peppermint oil, just substitute it out for another essential oil. It's really for the smell. The aloe vera can be a little bit of a strong smell, so I use the peppermint oil not only for my scalp, but also the smell, so do what's best for you. So that is it for today's video. Once again, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the kid. Bye, y'all.